Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to create a cartoon effect using Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. First we need to duplicate the image layer. To do that, click on Layer, then click on Duplicate Layer. Name the new layer and click OK. Make sure that the new layer is selected, then in the top menu, click on Filter, then click Filter Gallery. Then click on Artistic, and select Poster Edges. Adjust the setting. I am gonna change the edge thickness to 10. The edge intensity to 6. And the polarization to 3. Now press OK. We're gonna use this layer as a blending layer, so we need to get rid of the color to get an outline image. To do that, in the top menu click on Image and select Adjustment. Click Threshold. Now set the threshold level to 50 and press OK. Now we need to apply an oil painting effect. To do that, click on Filter, select Stylize, and click on Oil Painting. Use this following settings: 5.0 for stylization, and 2.0 for cleanliness. Click OK. Great, now we need to create the background layer, but first let's duplicate the original layer. OK, now we can create the painting effect. To do that, click on Filter, then click Filter Gallery. Then click on Artistic, and select Poster Edges. And adjust the settings. I'm gonna change the edge thickness to 0. The edge intensity to 0. And the polarization to 2. Now press OK. You can leave it like this, if you want. But to get the best results we need to make some other adjustment. In the top menu click Image. Then select Adjustment. Click on Levels and reduce the contrast a little bit, then click OK. Now go to Image Adjustment. And click on Hue and Saturation, and increase the level of saturation. Then, click OK. We're almost done. Now change the blending mode of the main layer to multiply. Now let's add the final touches, and this is it. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments section. See you in the next video.